Well, here we're in Elkton, Oregon, walking down to see the flooded river where people usually go to play on the rocks. Now, I don't want to step in that because that's where the steps are, and it gets really steep in there. But usually there's blackberry bushes and everything under the water there. And then over there, there would be the rocks that we play on and jump off of and swim around. But the water is up here pretty far. That's all debris floating. I can't walk on that. Sure is beautiful, even though it's really destructive at this point.